Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii U games from an SD card. The only way to achieve this is by installing custom firmware, which unlocks your console's full potential. This process allows you to conveniently store and launch your favorite titles directly from an SD card, preserving your disk drive and expanding your game library beyond physical media. It's a straightforward method that opens up many possibilities for your gaming experience. Before diving into custom firmware, let's prepare. You'll need an SD card, preferably 32 gigabytes or larger, formatted to FAT32 or XFAT. This ensures your console can read the necessary files. Also, make sure your Wii U system software is completely up to date. Having the latest official firmware is crucial for the initial steps of the custom firmware installation process, setting you up for success. Installing custom firmware involves using a web browser exploit to gain initial access, then installing a persistent custom firmware solution like Tiramisu. You'll need to download specific files to your SD card and follow a step-by-step guide carefully. This process modifies your console's system, allowing it to run unsigned code and access homebrew applications. Always back up your NAND before making any significant changes to protect your console. Once custom firmware is installed, you can place your game files, typically in WUP installer format, onto your SD card. Use a homebrew application like Wii U USB Helper to prepare your games. Then, launch a game manager from your homebrew menu to install and play them directly. This method provides a seamless way to enjoy your entire game collection without needing physical discs, offering a convenient and expanded gaming experience right from your console's menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.